Yeah, hello guys. Suraj Pichala, can you mute your video and audio?
Sorry.
Yeah, guys. Good evening, guys. Hello. Yeah, guys. My voice
Good
is
evening.
audible. Yeah, guys.
Yes, yes.
Good evening. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Today I will discuss some interview questions related to mock sessions questions. Here I am giving one question and options also there. You can try your level best. Okay. Today I want to take Verilog mock session. Okay. First question I will go through. First question. Yeah. Can anyone tell me if initial value of a equal to 0 and b equal to 0, then what will be the final values? Always at the rate passage of clock, a equal to b. Always at the rate passage of clock, b is equal to a. What is the correct answer? Can anyone tell me the first question answer? Can anyone?
Answer will be C.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the answer? C. Yeah. Can you explain? Okay. Can you explain that one?
Phase condition.
Just
Phase condition.
Can any,
Why? Because both always blocks are executed in zero simulation time.
okay.
A equal to B, B equal to A. You can assign directly either A. Which block executed first? I don't know. Simulator don't know. You take a first block executed. Take A equal to 0 and B equal to also 0 it taken. Otherwise, second block executed, B equal to 1 it taken and A equal to 1 taken.
Sir, it will depend on simulator.
Simulator. Okay, fine. Another girl, that girl who is speaking, can you tell that answer? Can you explain that one?
yes. It is the condition of race around condition. Race around. Here,
Yeah.
if we can't predict that if the output is a 1 or a 0, so the simulator according it will depend on simulator that which block is going to be executed first. So if one first block is executed, a is equal to b, then you are saying for a0 and b1, if first block gets executed, then both values will take the value of 1, both
Yeah.
a and b.
Yeah, that's correct answer
But
actually.
if
Yeah, it
yeah,
depends on always we are taking both always blocks. It will execute. It is a blocking condition, not an non-blocking condition. That's why it will depends. We are not giving any values to that one. It's either 0 or 1. The answer is C. That is the correct answer. Okay. Second question. A task can have arguments of types. Can anyone answer?
D.
D. Yeah.
yes.
Can you explain once what's the difference between task and function? Can anyone explain the differences between in interview? One of the question they will ask, the interviews will ask the question. What's the difference between task and the function?
Yes, sir.
Inside a task, delays can be, we can put delays. Inside a function, we can't have delays.
Okay.
Function give a particular value, return particular value, and
Okay.
task will not return any value.
Yeah.
And in function we can only take input, and in task we can take input, output, and in out
Okay. Fine.
values.
Yeah.
We can't assign any delay in function, and in task we can use delay. In function we can only call
Okay.
function,
That's right.
and in task we can call both function and task.
Yeah. Okay. Correct answer. Yeah. Interview they will ask this question also. Okay. Can you?
Function
Okay.
is
Next question.
synthesizable and task is not synthesizable.
Yeah. In interview you can explain these differentiations. Can you take 4 topics? For it is combinational. Task will execute in combinational. It is sequential. It will use for function. You can try. Okay. They will ask in interviews also. Okay. Next question. Yeah. If timescale is defined as timescale 10 nanoseconds by 1 nanosecond and 1.5 hash delay 1.56, A is equal to B, the A and B after. What is the answer? Can anyone? Can anyone? Third one answer.
Sir, 16 nanosecond.
How?
Sir,
Yeah,
actually
correct.
10 nanos.
Yeah, that
1.5
answer is correct.
nanoseconds into 10 nanoseconds.
Yeah, okay.
It equal to 15.6 nanoseconds. It round of 16 nanoseconds.
Yeah, actually here the answer C we can also consider 15.6, that is 0.6 nanoseconds actually. The answer is it is accurate nearly equal to 16. 15.60 you will get. The answer will be 10 nanoseconds by 1 nanoseconds. Okay, got it huh? Yeah, can anyone tell me the answer is D. What is time scale? Can anyone explain the answer? What is time scale?
Sir, here 10 nanosecond is our time scale and precision value is 1 nanosecond.
Yeah, why we can use time scale? Yeah, why we are using time scale? Without time scale we can write any program or not?
No, we can't write.
We can write. We can
How the
write.
delays will be annotated, we can based on that.
Actually,
Yes or no?
even though we are not writing time scale, by default the simulator is having 1 ns by 1 ns. So usually
Yeah,
we will be missing.
yeah, without
Time
time scale
scale
we
is
can.
needed before it is needed.
Yeah, means how much time our output will be executing. That we can see in the simulation window. Okay. Okay, without time scale, we are calculating delays, all things will comes under time scale. Okay. Next question, fourth one answer. Give the following Verilog code. What the value of A is displayed? Initially hash 8, A greater than equal to non-blocking 1. Initially hash 12, A not non-blocking 4. What is the answer?
Sir, you can use dollar display or dollar monta.
Dollar display not is there. Actually, that is a question actually. Fourth question. Can you read and can you tell me the answer? What is the answer?
Either one or zero. It is also race condition factor.
Yeah. Can anyone? In which concept
Zero.
it is related to? The question is related to which concept?
Inter and
Inter
Which
and
concept this one?
intra SM.
Inter delay. Yeah, that one right. Okay. This question related to the concept related to inter delay and intra delay. Yeah. Can anyone answer? What is the answer?
Sir, according to me, it will be in last 0.
0. Okay. Yeah, here we are using both delays in common thing. Actually, here not we are using a non-blocking. Blocking not using. Here we are using non-blocking. Here condition it will execute only last statement only. That is 0. Both conditions we are executing. Two non-blocking statements we are using. That's why the answer will be 0. None of the above. Actually, when you can execute this thing, it will show an error. You can try. Okay.
Explain, sir, one. Explain one, sir.
First initially here we are using initially we have a hash 8 delay, means it will execute. Just wait, I will show you. Yeah, first of all here we are having hash 8. Initially we have having 8. This is intra delay or inter delay?
Inter delay.
Inter delay means here the output will adding LHS side we are adding that thing. Okay, initially we are taking both initial two values. Okay, A equal to, first of all they given what the A value equal to 8, means it will execute only last statement. Okay, 0 statement. Both in same, can you draw output? This output you will get. First thing will be interdelay A equal to 1. First of all, you are getting A value equal to at the time of 8 seconds. At the time of initially, what we will give at the time of 8. At the time of 8, A equal to 1. You are getting 1. Next, after again plus 12 means it will add. Initial statement they are giving 12 means initially it will starts with what value? Simulator will starts with 12. After 12 means 12 plus 8, 8. 12 plus 8, 20 seconds it will execute. That is 0. After it will execute 0.
Different block.
But here what? Yeah. Means 1 will execute totally. It has 8 delay nanoseconds. 8 nanoseconds. It has totally 8. Means here what will the simulator what they understand? Here we are using initial state will starts with which value? Initial
12.
state will starts with
12 and this.
Hmm?
12 here.
0. Actually, yeah. Initially 12 it will start. First of all, they given what? Non-blocking condition. That is a storage. Okay, first they will store. This is a non-blocking. It is a storage device. You are getting here both. We will take only interdelay or interdelay. In that we have both delays are there. Interdelay is there and intradelay is there. That's why it will show an error. That's why the option is it will not display any 0 or 1. Nothing they will show. Okay, output. That's why the output will be none of the above. It will not get. You will not get any output. After 4 delays, it are showing 0. It is an output they are considering. Interdelay means that's why it is none of the above option. Okay. Okay. Can you try this question? Yeah. Give the following Verilog code. Can you tell what value it will display? Can anyone? Module test. Here what they given a test they are taking. The value of reg they are assigning and one value will be register. It will be A and clock they are assigning 0. Initially the clock assigned to intradelay it finishes at 20 seconds. It is finishing. Always has 10 clock. What is this meaning actually? Always clock has 10 clock equal to negation of clock. What is this meaning?
Clock generation we are. Every
yeah, clock generating. That is
Time period of 20 minutes.
clock is generating all 10 nanoseconds. It will generate 5 plus 5 minus. Okay, 10 plus 10, 20. It will generating. Always at the process of clock begin A equal to 1, A equal to 0, end. And always A equal to A underscore display A end module. Can you explain what is an answer?
Sir, actually, it will be none of the above.
None of the above. Okay. Another? Can anyone answer?
Always it prints 0. Always prints 0.
0. 0. Okay. Right. Can anyone tell me the answer? And I will show example also. I will what is the answer? I will show directly. In practical, I will show what output you will get.
So B option 0 and 1.
0, comma
B option.
1. Yeah, correct answer. How?
First of all, okay.
dollar
So as
display
the
will
process,
execute
we are giving only one process clock here. So time period is 20. So we have only one process clock. So as soon as process clock comes, this always block starts its execution. So first of all, the non-blocking assignment occurs. So it will sample 1, but it will not assign. It will check for the other statement, blocking 1. Then it will assign A equal to 0. And it will, it is a continuous assignment. So it will continuously assign A equal to 0. And as soon as A changes its value, the next always block will occur. So display will occur and yeah, A equal to 0 will be displayed, and then after that this non-blocking statement executes, and again the third always block will execute and display A equal to 1 will be printed.
Yeah, that is 0 1. It will print every time. It will print 0 1 0 1 0 1. They given first 0. It will print again 1. Yeah, that is the answer. Always we are taking here. I am taking finish in that code. Finish. Why we are using finish? Why we are using finish here? Hash
To
finish. Why we
finish
are
the
using hash?
execution,
Yeah, actually
to
here
finish
we
the
are
execution
discussing.
as 20.
Yeah, always at the rate a means always. Why we are using always means
Whenever
means
a value changes, then it will.
yeah.
So
It will
Actually,
be
whenever there is
why
change
we are
executing
in the
using
as
value, right?
Continuous
long
loop.
as a value changes,
okay. What's the difference between
depending on the
always and finish? What's the difference between always and finish?
Always block will continuously loop. It will check for changes. As soon as there is any change, the loop will execute. Whereas, it won't stop actually. The loop will be
Yeah,
continuous.
continuous.
So
Yeah, that is the answer. That's why we are taking finish here. We want to finish. Always block will execute at infinite time. Infinite, it will execute. We want to stop our simulation. That's why we are using an finish. Okay. When we run this program, then we can see it will execute or not. Can you check with module sim? Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I'm having one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, can we use blocking and non-blocking in just one procedural block?
Yeah, we can use.
Okay.
But we will get some warnings.
Yeah, now here we are using blocking and non-blocking is there na. In always we have a equal to a. This is a non-blocking. Here we are using try with then we can cross it once. Okay, that's why I'm telling this is a question. We raised one question. Then we can cross check. We can cross it with our tool. Okay, just wait. I will show the result. What if we are getting is executing or not? Cross check once. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you are telling we can use blocking and non-blocking. We can use both blocking and non-blocking. Yeah, it will execute means our logic will work. Without it will not executing means our logic will not work out. Okay, can you cross check once? We can cross check by using this tool. Why we are using simulator tools? Can anyone why we are using simulator tool? That I said now. First of all, we want to cross check. Cross checking purpose. We are using
Whether
simulator tools.
it is able to synthesize or not to check. For that purpose only, we are using
Actually,
simulation after.
we are yeah simulation tools. Uh, I think this is on a code. This is okay. Reg clock initially hash 10 finish. Always at the rate hash 10 clock. Always at the rate passage of clock begin a. Here we are using both blocking and non-blocking and always display. What's the a value? It will display. Okay. Here I'm taking 100 actually. Before 20 minutes it will stop within 2 clock pulses. That's why I'm taking 100 to finish our design. Okay. Now we can compile. What you will get an error. See, we can use now. We will not get any error related to this one. The code is executing fine. Okay, we are not getting any issues. Next we can simulate that thing. Yeah, we can see what we will get. Yeah, here we will use run -all. We don't have see it will executing 0 1 0 1 0 1. What we are getting actually first it will executing 0. Yeah,
Yes.
who said that answer? Always first it will block executed, then same condition it will executing. Okay, 0 1 0 1. The output, what is an output? It will continuously execute 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Yeah, the answer will be what answer? The answer will be B 0 1, not 1 0. Okay, initially it will execute this block, next it will execute 1, again same repeat loop will continues. That's why we are getting 0 1. Okay, got it? Huh? answer. Yeah. You have any doubts means you can disturbance is coming.
Sir,
Yeah. You
sir,
yeah yeah
for
yeah
non
yeah tell me some
for blocking A is equal to 0, it will be executed in active region. That's why it will be executed in
yeah
0. For non-blocking,
yeah
it will be executed in dollar monitor. You have to use. That's why you have to use
dollar.
finish.
Yeah, that's why finish. Actually, here always I'm taking. That's why I'm using finish. Means I want to stop.
Yeah.
I
That's why
want
you have
to
to
stop my
use.
simulation. That's why I'm. Yeah. What's the
You
difference
have
between
to use.
display and monitor statement?
You have to use dollar finish. It will automatically calls dollar monitor only.
Yeah.
In
Fine.
last postpone result.
Means
That's why output.
actually
That's why output will be 0 and 1.
0 1 1. Yeah. 0 1 1. Yeah, that is an answer. Okay, fine. Yeah. In interviews they will ask. This is a retention paper actually. They will ask some questions like this. Like this they will ask. These are the interviews they will ask. Objective type questions they will ask like this. Okay. You got it? This is a question. Interviewer, how they will ask in this is a written related question. Okay, this is written related questions. Okay. Yeah, can you explain? Okay. For describing circuit like flip-flops, dash statement is used.
Always.
Hello.
Always.
Yeah, guys. Hello.
Always.
Yeah, always. Flip-flops means we are using always. Okay, fine. Verilog may be written at behavior, structure, gate level, and transistor. It's true or false?
True. True.
True. Transistor level we can write or not?
Yes, we can write.
Yes, we can write
Transistor
transistor
levels
also.
means
We can write
yeah.
PMOS and MOS.
We can write code for CMOS, PMOS
NMOS,
and NMOS also we can write. We can take drain. Yeah, that okay. Which of the following is equivalent to logic 1?
Option D.
Can anyone? This question?
Option D.
What
Okay.
is the
Can you
difference
check
between option
once?
B and C? Option B and
Option
C, what
B,
is the difference?
B and C. Yeah, the
And C.
quotation, the tick
Yeah.
mark is difference is there. This is reverse tick.
Space. The space.
Okay.
Okay. Then option A and B.
Space.
Okay,
Yeah.
option A and B.
Option.
So that is
Sorry.
option D.
That is the correct answer. Yeah. Means we can represent one. This is the binary format number system. We can use 4 tick D0 means directly we can display 0 in 4 bits. This is the number system, number representation. Okay, you read this concept, huh? Number representation, how we can represent any number. Binary, decimal, octal. When we can take 0 means it will show octal. H means hexadecimal. They will display in hexadecimal. Okay. Yeah. Which of the following is true for above parameter? Can anyone? Parameter. Can anyone have an idea about parameters? Parameter?
Yes.
Yeah,
Reference.
it is a constant value which can be changed at runtime.
Okay. Means why we are using parameter?
It is a constant value.
For
To declare a
example,
value, like it is a constant. It
for
is a
example, if you
constant
write
value.
a code for FSM.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, yeah, parameter is like a constant which we don't want to modify. In case if you want to modify further, we can modify like at runtime using the parameter.
Yeah, we are writing reusability purpose. We are using parameter. In FPGAs, we have one concept. Reusability concept is there. What is reusability? Same code we can use for a different length. For example, you have 8 4-bit counter. By using parameter, you can write that we can use that code for n-bit counter also. We can write code. Parameter, just we are changing the n value. Parameter n is equal to we are taking some different values. For P4 code we will write, then we are taking a depth, length. That's why we are using parameter. Yeah, what is an answer? Can anyone?
None of the above.
C.
Yeah. Default synthesizer, the side, yeah, D is the none of the above actually. Okay. Verilog HDL oriented at where it will start at Verilog. Actually, I want to put this
Gateway
question
design.
first. Gateway design automation. Okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is a question for your homework. Can you try? This is an homework. You can try. Can you take how draw the waveform? They given one code. You can draw the waveform. How you can draw waveform for this code?
I will explain, sir.
Can you? Okay.
At 1 nanosecond A equal to 1.
Okay.
2 nanoseconds C assigned to A and
Okay.
1 nanosecond, no. 1 nanosecond A equal to 1
Yeah.
and C equal to
Can you
3
Can
nanoseconds
you
A.
take this one as a screenshot? Okay. Can you take this one as a screenshot? We'll show the question also. You can try this one also. How to write hardware for this interviews? They will ask like these questions only. When you are going to interview, they will ask. They given one code. Can you draw circuit for this one also? How you can draw circuit for this box?
The combination logic
Sorry
one.
for interaction. So please guys rejoin again.
Yeah.
Some technical